Welcome 8th graders to the Robot Research Project, and this is task number 1. This video is going to explain what you need to do for that, and it is going to watch Humans Need Not Apply. It's a 15-minute video that, in my opinion, is the most interesting video you watch in all of GTT between 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. After you watch that video, you're going to answer a few response questions, and then answer the essential question at the end. How has technology changed over time? So to do that, you're going to go to your design notebook, scroll down to task number 1. At the end of this task, remember to come back and answer this essential question: how has technology changed over the course of time? And then for the video, you're going to click on this link right here. You click on it, Humans Need Not Apply. The video will load, and of course it's 15 minutes, so there's a lot of information that's shown in this video. It's pretty fast paced, so just try to really get engaged and take it all in. And then when you're done with the video, you have about 6 questions to answer here. Remember to use complete sentences. How do robots already impact your life? What are your concerns after watching this video? What jobs might you be interested in pursuing someday? And will that job be around in the future? Thinking about what robots are doing to the job market. And then the last 2 questions are should-dos. What are your thoughts on the statement, and this is shown in the video: self-driving cars, they don't need to be perfect. They just need to be better than human drivers. What are your thoughts on that? And lastly, are you concerned about giving up control to robots, meaning that instead of you doing things, giving it to robots to do all of the things for us? So does that concern you? Why or why not? And that's all you have to do for task number 1, and fill out your daily summary, and then you're on your way to task number 2.